This is the new Magabox Elite X2 Android TV box. In this video, we are going to unbox, set up this device, and test its apps and functionality. Elite X2 has options for live TV and video-on-demand VOD. This smart media box has something for everyone, and there is no monthly subscription to pay. Buy once and use the TV box for media entertainment. If you are interested, check the link in the video description and comments section. This video is made into these sections so that you can easily find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about the Magabox Elite X2 Android TV box. If you're new to this channel and interested in tech reviews, click the subscribe button to follow my future contents. Now let's get into the video. This is the Elite X2 product box. On one side, there are features like voice control, OTA updates, Android 12 and support for 6K. Another side mentions 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6. Let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything that came in the box. The Elite X2 Android TV box. An antenna, power adapter, remote control, HDMI cable, and a user guide. The Elite X2 body consists of aluminum housing on the sides and bottom, and the top is made out of plastic, which has the Elite X2 printed. This smart media player box feels compact and solid. The front has the LED display panel and IR receiver. On the side, this is the microSD card expansion slot and 3 USB slots. At the back, this is the optical SBDIF digital audio connection, LAN Ethernet port, HDMI out port, update pinhole button, DCIN power port, and the connection for the antenna. On the other side are ventilation holes. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid rubberized feet that provide good grip on flat surfaces and more ventilation holes. At the top is the product model name, and a sticker here with the MAC address and serial number. The antenna needs to be fixed at the back of this Android TV box. Then you can adjust the antenna to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. This remote control has all the standard buttons plus more. There's dedicated TV control buttons, live, VOD and playback buttons, dedicated streaming app buttons for YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus and Netflix, a mouse cursor button and voice control button. The front plastic looks glossy and easily attracts fingerprints. I would have preferred if it matched the plastic from the back. Here, there are instructions to program the remote to control your TV. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries. The user guide is very simple with only diagrams and specifications. Continue watching this video, and I'll explain about this Android TV box in detail. Connect the power adapter and HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor. Now let's get this media box running. Turn on power, and the Android boot splash screen took 23 seconds, and then it went straight to the Magabox Android home screen. The interface looks simple and straightforward with large icons for live TV, VOD, playback, App Store, Google, and My Favorites. There are 6 customizable shortcut icons, where you can choose your preferred apps. At the bottom, this is the shortcut icon for Android settings. Before using this media box, connect to the internet via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. I usually connect using Wi-Fi. Once connected to the internet, log into a Google account so that you can install apps from Google Play Store. Next is the File Manager, where you can access and manage local or connected external storage. This icon is the one-click system optimizer that cleans and optimizes memory to improve system performance. This is the browser-based internet speed test to check your current internet connection speed. The last is the uninstall option, where you can uninstall any app that you have installed. Currently, I have not installed any yet. If you click on Live TV, VOD, or Playback, there is nothing installed there. The entertainment apps are not pre-installed on this box, and there are a few easy steps to get them up and running in this box. Now let's look at Elite X2 hardware specifications. This is an X-Droid board shown as manufactured by Google, and the model is showing correctly as Elite X2. The installed Android is version 12. Also called Snow Cone with API level 31. The Android build date is a little old now. This device is rooted, and that allows a user perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The CPU System on Chip, SoC, is an ARM v8 architecture H618. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex, A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is a single-core ARM Mali-T720. The Mali-T720 integrated graphics processing unit supports Vulkan API 1.1, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. It also supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. For display, it supports HDR10 and hybrid log gamma. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. I would prefer a 64 GB storage as 32 GB can fill up quickly when installing multiple games. Bluetooth 4 and Bluetooth 5 are supported in this Android TV box. To get the live TV streaming, VOD, and other media entertainment apps, you will need to perform a system update. To comply with YouTube platform guidelines, I am unable to show you the exact steps. But it is an easy task, just click to update. Google Play Store is available, and you can get a lot of Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use. There is a large number of media entertainment apps that you can install and use, which includes paid subscription services and free streaming apps. If you are into music, there is also a good selection of apps that you can enjoy with this Android TV box. I can't show you how to get or install the Android box streaming apps due to the platform guidelines, but I will explore the external apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. I have installed the apps, and these are the 4 apps that I'm going to check: the Live TV, VOD, Replay, and MGTV. I have added them to the customizable shortcut icons for easy access. Also, there is Tubi, which is a free movies app comparable to Netflix services. The Live TV app has more than 4,000 live TV channels listed, and it includes channels from Europe, South America, Asia, and many more. It is a long list, and it is not possible for me to test all the channels. I am using a Wi-Fi connection for the Android TV box, and the channels that I randomly tested loaded reasonably fast. I did find some channels being down during testing, but there's so many other channels to choose from. The selected channel shows the current TV program name, description, and duration. Pressing the OK button on the remote control makes it full screen. While watching a TV channel, pressing the remote left button opens a channel search window and a list of channels. On the electronic program guide, channels are grouped into tabs. This is the All Channels tab, the Favorites tab, Network TV, Regional Channels, and many more. To select a tab, press the OK button on the remote control. The VOD app is where you get movies and TV shows. At the top, it has tabs called Recommended, Newest, Movies, TV Series, and Settings. And the side has buttons for Search, Favorite for bookmarked media, and History of your watch. Under Movies, there are more than 22,000 movies in various genres. You can search for movies, filter by genres, country, and year. Or, browse through the genres at the side and find your favorite movies. I'm using Wi-Fi connection with this Android TV box, and movies play without any issue. I have just tested a few movies. Hopefully it continues to perform well. Under TV series, there are more than 1,600 TV shows in various genres. You can search for TV series, filter by genres, country, and year. Or, browse through the genres at the side and find your favorite TV shows to watch. Playing TV shows performs well too, and I did not experience any issue with streaming over Wi-Fi connection. Let's check the Replay app. This app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 4,000 live TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 107 TV channels. This is the MGTV app. This has more than 5,000 live TV channels and is more focused on non-English channels. I tested some channels here, and while most worked well, some channels had buffering issues. DRM, or digital rights management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play HD quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is only certified for L3, so you can't stream HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. If you don't have a Netflix, Disney Plus, or Paramount Plus account, you can get them and many other services at a discounted rate at this website. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted price. This is Tubi, a free streaming app similar to Netflix. It can be downloaded from the Google Play App Store. This is actually a great app which has a lot of great movies and TV shows. And the movies are completely free to watch and are supported with ads. I tested playing movies and they stream quite well in this Android Media Box. Let's test YouTube video streaming in this Android Media Box. Testing a random video. This media is playing in 720p resolution. Let's change the video to higher resolution. We'll skip 1080p and go higher to 1440p. This media box seems to handle video playback at 1440p resolution. Now let's test a higher resolution. This time I'll select 2160p or 4K video resolution. The video playback took a while to load, and when it did, the playback performance was not good. Now let's test playing 4K video files and see the playback performance of this Android TV media box. This is a 4K trailer of a movie, and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works well and loads pretty quick too. The Elite X2 plays 4K quality local video files without any problem. If you like to watch 4K quality local movie files, this Android media box seems to handle local files really well. Let's look at an internet browser app. Google Chrome is installed by default, and the shortcut can be found on the home screen interface. I mostly use the Chrome internet browser, so this is one that I'm comfortable using on this Android TV box. You can also install and use other internet web browsers shown here, as they are available in the Google Play Store. All the major internet browsers, and the smaller yet popular ones, are also supported for installation on this Android box. Let's test playing a 3D game in this Android TV box. The game is called Asphalt 8 Car Racing Game, and this is just a demonstration of game performance and graphics in the Magabox Elite X2 Android TV box. The graphics do not appear to be very smooth, but I did not experience lag, so this 3D game is quite playable. Although you can play games in this box, it is not suitable for heavy 3D gaming performance. To summarize, Magabox Elite X2 TV box is a great Android media box for live TV and video-on-demand VOD playback. When apps are installed, it has thousands of quick-loading live TV channels, movies, and TV series. The user interface is very easy to use and has a responsive interface and navigation. Applications are generally loaded quickly and provide a good experience. 4K local video files play smoothly and without any issue. Most 3D games play well without any lag. But I also have some concerns about this TV box. It only has 32 GB internal storage, which can fill up quickly. This device does not have the DRM security level support to play Netflix in HD or 4K. I will continue to test this box and may report any updates on its reliability and updates in my future videos, so stay in touch. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.